Two hearts came together with nothing but trust. No riches to lean on, just love that was enough.
They walked through the hard days, held on through the rain, built something lasting through joy and through pain.
They gave you their time, every piece of their soul,
taught you what matters,
what makes a heart whole. Now you're standing tall where their footsteps ran.
Life's turning slowly,
it's in your hands. A family built on love and loyalty is worth every sacrifice.
it lives in respect, care, and honesty through life.
In every smiling face,
There's a quiet secret of love.
ein stilles Herz sagt mehr.
Als Worte je genug.
Your value don't fade when they can't see your worth.
There's no right or wrong when you're hurting inside.
Be the shield for your siblings,
Be their place of trust,
be the hands that unite,
not the ones that divide.
18 years gone, now the road opens wide.
With choices to carry and dreams by your side.
You don't need perfection, just stay kind and true.
That's all they ever hoped to see in you.
Your mom and daddy,
They're watching you grow,
with quiet prayers,
only a parent would know,
hoping you'll carry the love that they gave
into the life that you're learning to shape.
A family built on love and loyalty is worth every sacrifice.
It lives in respect, care, and honesty through life.
In every smiling face,
There's a quiet secret of love.
ein stilles Herz sagt mehr.
Als Worte je genug.
Your value don't fade when they can't see your worth.
There's no right or wrong
When you're hurting inside, be the shield for your siblings,
be their place of trust,
be the hands that unite,
not the ones that divide.
when the road feels heavy,
And nothing goes right,
hold on to love.
let it guide you at night.
We all walk together,
Build what you see,
now carry it forward, gently and free. A family built on love
and loyalty.
is worth every sacrifice.
Be the hands that unite,
Bleibt zusammen.
for all your